Hi guys, today I'm going to share about Getvase, which is a website where you can do surveys. There's also an app, but you will always get notified when there's survey through email, so there's no need. I didn't use the app much. So when you get notified when there's survey, just press the go to survey button and then it will bring you to the survey. Just fill out the survey, answering what is asking you with correct information. Read properly all the questions and then just answer truthfully. When you cash out from Get Survey, the money will surely go to the bank account, to your bank account. Although it's like a little bit, only like few ringgits, but it's still money. And then the survey is like very short, very easy to answer. So try out this Getvase survey so that you can earn extra money. Although it's like a bit, but when you accumulate it, it will be like a lot. So here I have finished the survey. I gained 1000 points by doing the survey just now, and then 1000 point is equivalent to 1 ringgit. So here you can see that I have withdraw before from this Getvase, and I withdraw a lot of time already. Although it's little, but it's still meaningful. And then here you can refer your friends to join Getvase. For your first 5 referrals, you will get 1000 points for each of them, and then the 6th referral will get 200, 7 we get another 200. It's a legit app, although earn a little, but it's still easy to earn. So if you guys are interested in this Getvase survey, go to the description box below. I will put my link there, and then press on it, and then you can join this Getvase. If you guys are interested in doing more surveys to earn money online, you can go see my previous video, which is YouGov, Rakuten, Life Points, which are all legit. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss other videos. Thank you.